Howdy folks, we are on the MendotaHearth.com website. Mendota is a brand of gas fireplace, stove, and insert that we carry here at Central Pennsylvania's favorite fireplace shop, Keystone's Fireplace and Stove, on the Carlisle Pike in Mechanicsburg. So today we want to show you the Design Your Fireplace tool so that you can imagine the possibilities of your new gas fireplace, insert, or stove. Click on Start Your Design and choose your model first. Select a model. We've got landscape, which is cleaner, more modern lines. We've also got traditional models that you can choose from with everything from arch to square or rectangular fronts. We've got designs that have more filigree work and more design on the front, as well as ones that are fairly simple and clean line. You've got linear models that tend to be longer and slimmer. You've also got traditional arches and the 360 fire-in stove. So I'm just going to go to the top here and choose one of the first ones that came up. The first choice that you get to make is your log set and media. So right now it's showing the white oak. I want to take a look at the birch, maybe the Norway spruce. I think I'm going to stick with the Norway spruce. So let's go to the liners, and that is going to be your background. You can choose here. We've got, take a look at the silver, the mocha, the dark midnight, metallic, copper. There's so many different options. I tend to go a little bit more traditional. So I'm going to look at the brick, and I love that tavern brown herringbone. That is just stunning to me. So now I'm going to move to the fronts and choose, I like the mission fronts. There's all kinds of different ones. That's very reflective, that's bright, that could be great, but I love the aged leather look. And let's show you that up close here. That with that brown herringbone brick has such an industrial, rustic look, and for me that's perfect. But let's say you like more of a glam look, maybe a glam modern look. We'll choose the metallic mocha, and we're going to go back to the fronts, and let's go with something that has more of a metallic clean line. Look at the difference. That is such a different look. Both are gorgeous, but it really depends on your home and your personal style. So you can get on the MendotaHearth.com website and just imagine the possibilities as you design your fireplace, and be sure you stop by Central Pennsylvania's favorite fireplace shop, Keystone's Fireplace and Stove, on the Carlisle Pike in Mechanicsburg. We will be happy to answer all of your questions and help you choose the perfect gas fireplace, insert, or stove for you.